Today I'm making my go-to tuna pickle sourdough sandwich. It's one of those simple lunches I make about once a week. And it's quick, easy, and really satisfying. Start with the tuna in olive oil. Just lightly drain the extra oil. And add the tuna to a bowl. Next, finely chop some celery for crunch. I like chopping it small so every bite has a little texture. Mix in the mayonnaise. I'm using avocado oil mayonnaise here because I prefer it, but you can use whichever one you like. Add the Greek yogurt and give it a little stir. A tiny squeeze of lemon here can brighten the flavors if you like. Add the celery. And don't forget the pickle. It adds a little tang that balances the tuna beautifully. Now we'll top it with some fresh peppery arugula microgreens, and if you like, a pinch of salt and pepper. In just a few minutes, you can make this delicious tuna sandwich.